Thank you, Drishti. Friends, today I'm going to talk about trade secret in today's education slot. And to tell you honestly, but I'm really very nervous and tensed. Nervous and tense because this is my first appearance today, and that too in front of such an educated and intelligent crowd. But friend, I'm sure you also must have faced the same thing sometime in the past. आप लोग भी कभी जब फर्स्ट पब्लिक अपीयरेंस दिए होंगे तो आप लोग भी उतने ही टेंस और उतने ही नर्वस होंगे जितना आज मैं हूँ. और I think for that you will empathize with me and you will overcome my small errors, my mistakes. Thank you. And friends, this is my first trade secret. To connect with the crowd, to connect with the audience, to connect with the client, architect, whomever you are meeting. This is my first trade secret. अगर आप कोई मीटिंग के लिए जाते हैं तो आप 10 मिनट 15 मिनट आपके प्रोडक्ट के लिए बात करिए, नो डाउट अबाउट इट, लेकिन साथ में आपको 15-20 मिनट दूसरे टॉपिक्स के लिए बात करनी पड़ेगी. मे बी यू फाइंड आउट व्हाट द क्लाइंट इज इंटरेस्टेड इन. इट मे बी पॉलिटिक्स, इट मे बी गेम्स, इट मे बी एनीथिंग. क्योंकि अगर आप खाली आपके प्रोडक्ट के लिए बात करेंगे, उसका प्लस माइनस बताएंगे और चले जाएंगे, यू आर जस्ट लाइक एन ऑर्डिनरी सेल्समैन जो आता है अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताता है और चला जाता है. But when you talk about other things, you become a family member of the client. You become a part of his life. And that's why that is most important. And you can connect by anything. Once, I mean, it can be over a pet. Once I went to a client and she had a pet. And then for 15 minutes we were talking about the pets because I also had a pet. So then you become, you connect them very well. My second point is sell without selling. Like, I'll just give you an example. Suppose Neeraj, he wants to sell his Kangen water machine to me. And he says, ki, Nikhil bhai, I want to sell my machine, it is very good, it has got alkaline water, blah, 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 blah. I say, no boss, I have got Zero B at home, at the moment I don't need it. He approaches the second thing. He says, Nikhil bhai, okay, don't buy, just see what it is, just see my demo. I say, but I know back of the mind, unless he wants to sell it me, that is why he is giving the demo. I say, no boss, I'll see it some other time. Now see the third approach. If you say, Nikhil bhai, I've got a problem here, I want your help. Okay, Nikhil, what happened? Nikhil bhai, I've got the agency of Kangen Water, you all know. And I also know I'm getting the agency of Zero B also, which is also equally good. So I want you to help me, which agency I should take for. I should continue with this or I should go with Zero B. आप सोचेंगे यार, एक तो दोस्त है, बेचने को तो कुछ बोल नहीं रहा है, एडवाइस मांग रहा है. एज ए ह्यूमन अपने को देने में तो बहुत सबको खुशी होती है, ये ले लो एडवाइस, वो ले लो, ये करो, वो मत करो. मैं भी चढ़ गया और बोले मेरे को मालूम है कि आप इस लाइन के नहीं हो, लेकिन आप एक इंटेलिजेंट आदमी हो, यू हैव ए रेस्टल, चढ़ाते जाओ साले को चलेगी धड़ पे. यू हैव ए रेस्टल थिंकिंग पावर, यू आर इंटेलिजेंट सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन, so if you can guide me, you cannot say no because you are a member of BNI. आप मिलते हैं, उसको टाइम फिक्स हो जाता है, वो आपको सब प्लस पॉइंट्स बताता है कैंगन वाटर के बारे में और थोड़ा बहुत पॉइंट प्लस और माइनस पॉइंट्स बताता है आपको Zero B के बारे में. आधा घंटे के बाद में बोलता है थैंक यू निखिल भाई, आपने बहुत अच्छा सुना, एडवाइस दी, चला जाता है. तो इनफैक्ट ही इज नॉट सोल्ड एनीथिंग, देयर इज नो कमर्शियल ट्रांजेक्शन, बट द फैक्ट इज ही हैज ऑलरेडी सोल्ड हिज मशीन टू यू. He has already sold his machine, only the commercial transaction has not taken place. So this is the another way. Friend, last time when Dr. Abhishek was talking about what is the trade secret, everyone was talking about the USPs. Their USPs, मैं तो जो बोलता हूँ वो देता हूँ, कम प्राइस में देता हूँ. अच्छा है ऋषभ के पास भी नहीं आया, नहीं तो ही would have said कि मैं तो 2% में धंधा करता हूँ. But friend, these are the USPs, these are not your trade secrets. Trade secrets are what the client does not know, but you possess that, and you possess that, and because of that, you make your difference. That is the trade secret. Can anyone tell me what is the biggest, biggest trademark, biggest trade secret for any product?
The whole experience. What you give to the customer.
It is a product. It is called Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is available in more than 100 countries for more than 100 years. But the formula is still not known to anyone. It is kept in a vault in Atlanta and it is known to very few family members. That is the trade secret of Coca-Cola. But that is Fortune 500 companies. So I thought if that company can have that, what can we have? We also have, being MSMEs, being small entrepreneurs, we also should have some trade secrets. So I have come up with these two points. Third point is toss but don't throw. This I learned from my practical experience. I had an opportunity to negotiate for a project in Alibag, and the architect was very big. Client was known to me. उसने बोला कि ये आर्किटेक्ट है, अगर आप इनको कन्विंस कर सको तो प्रोजेक्ट इज योर्स। मैं क्लाइंट के पास में गया, आर्किटेक्ट के पास में गया। उन्होंने पूछा कौन कौन सा आपका है प्रोडक्ट है, आप बताइए विंडोज़ क्या है। मैं सब उनको बता रहा था। तो उन्होंने बोला कि अच्छा है, प्रोडक्ट सब अच्छा है, आपने कभी अलीबाग में काम किया है? मैंने बोला नहीं, मैंने तो लोनावाला खंडाला में काम किया है। और वहाँ पे बिकॉज द आर्किटेक्ट विच आई एम वर्किंग विद तलाटी, आई एम वर्किंग विद प्रकाश मानकर, शक्ति परमार, एंड दे हैव गॉट दिस टाइप ऑफ clients, this type of projects in Alibag and in Lonavala and Khandala. He got up immediately. He said, "Don't throw the names on me. Don't throw the names on me. You are very big. You are working with Talati and big architects. Why do you need me? Please, I don't want to work with you." He just shut his paper and went away. So the bottom line is, when you are meeting a client, an architect, don't throw the names on him. But you want to prove yourself also कि आप क्या काम करते हो, किस टाइप का काम करते हो। अगर आप नहीं बताओगे तो यू विल बी लाइक ए ऑर्डिनरी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर। तो आपको थोड़ा पोलाइटली उसको बोलना पड़ेगा, सर आई लाइक योर scheme, I liked your design, you are very good, and luckily I am working with same kind of architect, those who believe in these things, those who believe in aesthetic, those who believe in finishes, and I am sure I am able to deliver that to you. So then he will connect well with you, he will say, yeah, okay. And then I say, if you want the references, I am not throwing the names on you, if you want the references, I can give you the references. You have to mellow down, and you say, I am working with Talati, Prakash Mankar, Shakti Parmar, Chandrasekhar and all. If you want, you can take my reference. He will be happy and he will work with you. So friends, these were the 2-3 points. Time is pressing. I wanted to elaborate more, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. And these will help, these ideas will help you to create your own trade secrets, your own unique trade secrets for your business, which will be helpful to you. Okay? So with this, I rest my today's submission with these 4 lines. That is my trade secret. Yes, that is my trade secret. Correction. सपने देखने हैं तो ऊंचे देख, सपने देखने हैं तो ऊंचे देख, क्योंकि नीचा दिखाने के लिए तो लोग हैं। तू अपनी खूबियां खुद ढूंढ, तू अपनी खूबियां खुद ढूंढ, क्योंकि कमियां निकालने के लिए तो लोग हैं ना। क्या बात। रखना है तो एक कदम आगे रख, रखना है तो एक कदम आगे रख, क्योंकि पीछे खींचने के लिए तो। और अगर मौका पड़े माइक पे बोलने का, और अगर मौका मिले माइक पे बोलने का, तो कभी मत छोड़, क्योंकि तालियां बजाने के लिए तो। थैंक यू।